Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure you have local files on your phone. Do not assume the cloud is the only copy. Check Files or the DSIM/camera folder, and once you see local copies, open Google Photos on your phone and immediately disable backup and sync so cloud deletions won't mirror back. Next, sign into Photos. Google.com on a desktop with the same Google account. This separation, local storage versus cloud control, is why you can remove cloud photos, but keep on the desktop site. Select the images or albums you want gone from the cloud and delete them there. This targets Google Photos storage rather than device files. Once deleted, the items move to the trash. If you want them out of Google entirely, empty trash, but remember trash auto-deletes after 60 days. While performing these steps, keep backup and sync off on your phone so the deletion action does not propagate to local files. This careful separation prevents accidental phone deletions. Finish by verifying the photos still exist in your phone's local folders. Use Files or Photos app set to show device storage. If you see anything missing, immediately check Photos. Google.com trash you can restore within 60 days or restore from your phone's backup copy. If accidental sync happened, disable backup and sync, restore files, then consider re-enabling backup only after confirming everything is correct. One tip: if deletions still propagate, sign out of Google Photos on the phone and recheck local storage before re-enabling sync.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.